We all know how frustrating it can be to look for parking. On average, it takes 24 minutes to find a single parking spot. That's almost 3 hours a week, 12 hours a month, or 6 days a year spent in your car wasting precious time, money, and energy just looking for a parking spot. Until now. Say hello to Parko, the first community-based mobile app that finds parking for you. Parko connects people who are looking for parking with people about to leave a parking spot in the area. Simply open Parko and let it do its magic. It will connect to other Parko users and automatically identify which ones may be on their way to vacate their current parking space. Once you've chosen your future spot, Parko notifies the person leaving to confirm. The connection is created and you are able to trade your Parko coins for the spot. Easy. You can also tell Parko when you are on your way to leave a parking spot. The more everyone in the Parko community trades, the easier it is for everyone to find parking. The more you trade, the more you can unlock real prizes and even real money. But best of all, think of all the extra time you will have to do the things you want. Thanks to Parko.